This garden space has a clean, modern look with custom metal planter beds made by Art Metal Workshop. The planters are built from powder-coated steel, giving them a smooth, finished appearance while helping protect the metal for outdoor use. Their straight lines and dark finish create a neat border between the planting area, walkway, and fence, making the landscaping feel organized and complete. Each planter is custom cut to fit the space, so the size, shape, and layout can be adjusted for different gardens, patios, or landscaping projects. This is a strong and clean-looking alternative to regular wood planter beds, especially for modern outdoor spaces. For custom powder-coated steel planters, garden features, and metalwork made to fit your property, contact Art Metal Workshop in Toronto, Ontario.
Why'd it take all our life to explain that it's more beautiful when you're here?